FedDataCheck's Excel tool now allows you to analyze corporate ownership information from SAM. To download the Excel tool, go to feddatacheck.net and look under Reports, Ad Hoc, and Miscellaneous Reports. Now let's say we wanted to know if multiple recipients of large awards are owned by the same company. In this example, we consider GSA awards in FY22. Locate the field vendor name and drag it to rows. To sort vendors by obligated amount, right-click in one of the obligated amount cells. Next, bring in the field highest level owner name. Alternatively, you could use cage codes or UEI. As a last step, click the drop-down in the cell that says Row Labels and remove blank entries, since these reflect SAM records with no highest level owner listed. Now we have the answer to our original question. In this case, it's yes, as shown in rows 11 through 16 and 17 through 27, among others.